It's 2 minutes and 20 seconds to go. The calls into both the INEOS Team UK that you can see to the left-hand side of your screen. The starboard entry will be Emirates Team New Zealand. Coming now, and they're on time. INEOS Team UK.
Not quite across here, Ben.
A couple boats actually kind of on time here, but it looks like a real big left wind shift, which means it's hard for INEOS to actually get down into the box dangerously close to the starboard tacker Emirates Team New Zealand, but they get themselves across.
What's the exit, Ben?
2, 1, board down,
so
turning
Ken,
up.
what that's going to mean is this leeward end of the line, the left-hand mark as you look up screen is going to be the favoured end of the start line. That's going to have you closer to the start. And already we're seeing a very quick manoeuvre from INEOS Team UK. They're already trying to get over to this side, but risky positioning because you're giving away starboard advantage. If you get out this way too far, they could be controlled by Emirates Team New Zealand.
I'm surprised at that maneuver. Maybe it's because the boundary is so tight in that upper right-hand corner as we were just looking at the screen that they decided they had to get themselves back in the box here a little bit.
My roll, your wheel, man, your pitch. 1 minute to start. Okay, mine. Powering up. Climb up.
Fascinating that the boats are this interactive. They're absolutely
Watching
going at each other. And,
Copy.
you know, it's really... You know, when you guys were doing the catamarans, you kind of set up in the last 30 seconds or so, there would be kind of the push, hook, no hook.
Yeah, but
this is real maneuvering.
But the big difference is the starting box here is so much smaller than what we had in Bermuda. They don't have as much space to operate in. Bad jibe there from Emirates Team New Zealand. They're a sitting duck right now. If Ben can get the pace on and attack him, could be a good lead here for INEOS Team UK off this start. Neither boat can cross the starting line on starboard tack right now. That's how big this left-hand shift is, and Emirates Team New Zealand up hard.
Trouble for Emirates Team New Zealand at the start of race number 8, and it's all for INEOS Team UK as the countdown goes. 4 seconds to go, and they are in the box seat. INEOS Team UK with their best start of the regatta so far, and they are away. Emirates Team New Zealand getting up on the fours, are they? Keep watching.
Mine. Coming up here. Yeah, master tab.
There's a feather in the cap of INEOS Team UK.